Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring recipes out of the past and back into the kitchen. The new year is fast approaching, and to celebrate we'll be sharing with you recipes for 3 antique cocktails, starting with this one, the refreshing leap year cocktail, which is said to be responsible for more proposals than any other cocktail that has ever been mixed since it was created in 1928. The cocktail recipes we've used are from the Beverages chapter of Cookery Illustrated and Household Management, which was published in 1936. We'll be making the Bronx, which is still popular today, the Clover Club, and the Leap Year. And as 2020 was a leap year, we'll be starting with this one to see the year out. A leap year consists of 4 main ingredients: Italian vermouth, Grand Marnier, gin, and lemon, and of course you'll also need some ice. Empty your ice into your cocktail shaker and then just pour in the right amounts of each drink. The measurements we had to work with were quantities of 1930s cocktail glasses, which held 120 millilitres of drink, so there was some conversion work to be done. You add 1/6 of a cocktail glass of vermouth, which is 20 millilitres, the same amount of Grand Marnier, and that's just a little under the short side of our cocktail jigger, which holds 25 millilitres. Then add 2/3 of a cocktail glass of gin, which is 80 millilitres. To remain age appropriate, all of the brands and labels of alcohol we're using here were around in 1936 when these recipes were published. Gordon's gin was created in 1769, Martini Rosso, our Italian vermouth, in 1863, and Grand Marnier Cordon Rouge in 1880. The last thing to add in is a dash of lemon, which we'll juice straight in. It's worth using a fresh lemon for this, as you'll need some peel for later on. Put the lid back on and then shake it up. Top your glass with some lemon peel and then pour in your cocktail. And again, there were no instructions on what sort of glass to use, so we just went with one of these. And finally, top with a cocktail stick with either a cherry, olive, or pickled onion through it. And that's it, a leap year cocktail. What better drink could there be to toast a new leap year, see off an old leap year like 2020, or to raise a glass to a friend born on leap day? We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave us a like, and if you'd like to see us recreate more antique recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can also find full instructions for this recipe and many more on our website, linked in the description box below.